Olay Super Serum 1.0 ounces. The Olay Super Serum 1.0 ounces is a remarkable product that caters to individuals with all skin types. With over 10 years of experience in the field of product marketing, I can confidently state that this serum provides a range of benefits for the skin, such as firming, hydrating, moisturizing, and smoothening. One of the key advantages of this serum is its versatility in usage. It can be applied on both the neck and face, making it a convenient option for individuals seeking an all-in-one solution for their skincare routine. Whether you desire to target specific areas or achieve an overall improvement in complexion, the Olay Super Serum 1.0 ounces can effectively meet your needs. The scent of this serum is aloe, which adds a refreshing element to the skincare experience. The subtle fragrance enhances the overall feel of the product without overpowering the senses. What sets the Olay Super Serum 1.0 ounces apart from other similar products is its special ingredient,